Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we can going to discuss about the product control of a three-phase hybrid converter for a photovoltaic charging station. Now we can going to discuss about the abstract of our product. Hybrid boost converter has been proposed to replace a DC to DC boost converter and a DC to AC converter to reduce the conventional stages and switching losses. In this paper, control for three-phase hybrid boost converter in a photovoltaic charging station is designed and tested. This hybrid boost converter interface a photovoltaic system, a DC system with a hybrid plug-in electric vehicle and a three-phase AC grid. The control of hybrid boost converter is designed to realize the maximum power point tracking for PV and DC bus voltage regulation and AC voltage or reactive power regulation. A tester with power electronic switching details is built in Matlab in Sim-Powersystems for validation. The simulation results demonstrated as feasibility of the designed control architecture. Finally, the lab experiment testing is conducted to demonstrate the hybrid boost converter control performs and analyzes our overall process of electric vehicle to change our how to performance our characteristics also. Next we can see about the flow diagram of our product. First we can see about the solar panel. Solar panel is is one of the renewable resource and the best renewable resource in a world. The solar input given irradiance level of different irradiance level to use the solar panel. The solar panel is processed through the maximum power point tracking algorithm. This process process to improve our voltage and currents also this technique. And this technique is passed through the DC to DC boost converter. The DC to DC boost converter is the step up our power and high efficiency to given to the AC to DC converter. The AC to DC converter of two categories to split out as that. First we can see about the vector control. Vector control is nothing but to switching pulses to the control circuit to use in different variations and the summing circuits to apply in the circuits is given to the switching pulses of the PWM pulse generator. Is three phase bridge converter PWM generator used in this area. This is passed to the DC to AC converter. This conversion also DC to AC conversion to pass through the transmission line. The transmission line passes through the filter circuit. The filter circuit eliminates the harmonics level of the transmission line is filtered to the stored to the AC grid. Next we can see about the transformer. The transformer is a three-phase single-phase transformer. This single-phase transformer to store the electric vehicle of charging characteristics in the battery. So we can whole system can apply thus. So extra power we can store our battery system. Next we can see about the running process of our product. The proposed system implementation done in a Matlab version 2013A. First open a Matlab file window and create a new model file and creating elements as per their circuit diagram. And this is our circuit diagram of our product. Our corresponding scopes are connected in the our results also. Next we can see about the results. First we can see about the three-phase source. This is voltage and current also three-phase. This is an 3 to 10 power 4 some kilowatt also to measure that in this value to apply as a current value of different amplitude. We can see the variations level of three-phase but we can a pure sinusoidal wave. Next we can see about the three-phase load. This is a load value. This is on 2 10 power 7 10 power 4. This is an load consume our power of three phase. This is on 350. You can see a different amplitude levels of three phase load voltage, three phase load current. This is a voltage and current of load cycle. We can use the load of RLC parallel circuit. We can use the load. Next we can see about the PV characteristics. In the PV characteristics of our paper is an 160 arrays are used in our paper, but we cannot use the 72 cells can use the in paper because of out of error in the occur our system. So we cannot process that 72 cells as processed to that. Is on the different radiance level to apply the different maximum power point tracking of PV characteristics 1000 800 500 radiance level of to apply that. Next you can see about the voltage and current characteristics of the different radiance level 1000 radiance level 800 radiance level 500 radiance level of different radiance level. Next we can see about the switching pulse. This is our switching pulse of DC to AC converter to pass that switch 1 switch 2 switch 3 switch 4 switch 5 switch 6. These are different characteristics of switching characteristics. First we can switch on switch off, the second switch is on, the third switch is switch off. This is simultaneously on and off to process that our switching pulses as that. Next we can see about the DC to DC boost converter triggering pulses and the saturation regions of duty cycle due to the maximum power point tracking algorithm process. This is an triggering pulses to the DC to DC boost converter. This is saturation region of duty cycle of maximum power point tracking algorithm. Next we can see about the VDC of solar panel. This is a maximum power to generate the solar panel of 330 something to maximum peak of our amplitude value. Next we can see about the PV characteristics of 1000 radiance level. Next we can see about the 1000 radiance level of IV characteristics. This is as a plot.